Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what's inside these Kinder Joys. Let's open one. I'm going to show you what's inside the Kinder Egg surprise. And I'm also going to tell you the taste. Oh, we got a white tiger. We're going to build it after we are done. Now I'm going to tell you what is the taste of the Kinder Joys. These are the two circles. Let's see how it tastes like.
How's it, Arjun? Nice?
Now let's open the next one.
Why don't we make the toy first?
Not now.
Okay.
After we are done. Oh, we got a polar bear hanging on the ice.
You want to open all?
Yes.
Okay.
This is my last one card. The spoons. And let's open. Okay. Oh, we got a true doll.
How's the taste?
Good.
How many can you eat every day?
2.
2? Okay. Now let's make some toys.
Okay. Make it over. Make it over. बंद करो.
नहीं toys बनाओ.
I don't know how.
हाँ you show it. Try.
We are gonna leave the ice.
Okay.
Okay. Let's mend it. Okay, this one was quite easy. But mending. Oops. I'm trying my best. These are the toys that we get. It's a reindeer. This is a white tiger.
Okay.
And this is a polar bear.
This is the polar bear?
Yes.
Show.
Swinging.
Very nice.
And I said I can eat 2 in a day. So
Okay.
let's open one more.
All right.
It's the same as before.
Okay. So shall we brush our teeth after eating this? Before sleeping?
I think so.
All right. And do you want to give any message to your friends who will watch this video?
Yes.
What?
The message Will be. I'm gonna make fans.
Okay, you want fans?
Yes.
So you want people to subscribe your channel also?
Yes.
Arjun's Wonder World.
No.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Huh.
I did not mean to say 2 in a day, 3 in a day.
No, only 2.
I
No.
I didn't mean to say 3.
No, you said 2.
No, 3.
You want to have all 3?
Yes.
No.
After that, I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Sure teeth? Okay.
So one more.
All right.
And one last one.
This is all the trash.
Yes, but who will carry? It's a lot of. I'll carry some. You will carry some.
Okay.
Okay, keep the toy. Yeah. I eat all 3. And this is the last 2. And show the toys. It's not coming out. Fantastic. I love Kinder Joys.
You want to give any message to your friends?
I said the message.
Okay.
And I have one question for you.
Yeah.
The question is, I forgot it. No, the question is, if you want to be, make it over, okay? If you want to be a fan, click the descriptions below.
Okay. And they can subscribe your channel and like your videos also.
Yes. Ring the bell over here.
Okay.
Over.
Okay. Say goodbye, friends.
Goodbye, friends.
I love you. No, say I love you.
I love you.
You don't love them.
I love them.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye.